Hey y'all, it's Christina Joy. I know it's been a little minute, but I'm back and I'm better. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showing you all my everyday wash and go routine on my short afro with just 2 products, y'all. Let's get into it. This is what my hair looks like straight out of the shower after being wrapped up in a microfiber towel. It's just so soft and thick. Ugh, I love it so much. Starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair, I really do enjoy when my hair is a little bit damp just because it helps with detangling. Here I am parting my hair because I love to be precise and I will lose it if my hair gets mixed up. Then I'm just using clips to keep things organized. The first product that I use is the Mizani Curl Enhancing Lotion. This product is truly a game changer. I noticed it the first time using it instantly. It literally does what it says on the bottle, which it enhances your curls. But don't take my word for it, just watch. The second product that I use is the Do's Most Def Mousse. Y'all know I always rave about it, and I will continue to do that until they give me a reason not to. So with the Mizani Curl Enhancing Lotion, in my opinion, what it does, because I'm not a professional, but in my opinion on the Mizani Curl Enhancing Lotion, as soon as you put it on your hair, it not only gives your hair a nice shine, but it really does enhance your curls. It helps with detangling and it helps put a really nice gloss over your hair strand that really just accentuates your curl. I don't know how else to describe it. And with the Do Most Def Mousse, that is all for definition and just hold. So it not only backs up the Mizani Curl Enhancing Lotion by giving it the extra hold that it needs, but it gives it an extra layer of definition for your curls. So basically these 2 products together will really do the trick for your wash and goes. It's like a huge chef's kiss. With how I let the curls hang and go, I twist them just a little bit, making sure not to do it too much so that I don't lock them up accidentally. Because with my hair, it definitely will lock up on me if I twist it just enough. I basically do this for the entirety of my hair. Putting the clips on the already defined hair just helps me when it comes to knowing what is already done and what is not done, because I will get confused and my hair will get mixed up. For this routine, I use products based off of what my hairstylist uses on me when I get my hair done. As y'all know, I chop my hair, I don't even know when I chopped it, but it's been a few months and I'm starting to get used to it. So once I finally got my hands on the products and I used it for myself, because I don't know, sometimes you can use the same exact products that a hairstylist uses, but if you just don't have their magic touch, it's not going to hit the same. At first, it didn't hit how she did it, but once I started practicing and doing it more often, my hair started looking better and better, and I started really getting down the routine of how I wanted it to look. Alright y'all, these are the final results, how we like it. So with the first few days, I just let my hair be how it is. I let it be shrunk and do it at once because I want for that definition to really lock in and stay how it is. But after a few days, I will fluff it out with a pick to make it a little bit more big because my hair does shrink a bit. And my hair is getting longer, so yeah. I don't know what the science is behind it, but just waiting patiently for the first 2 days and then going ahead and using the pick really does help prolong your wash and go, and it helps it last way longer. I have more in-depth videos of how my curls look each day by day on my TikTok. So if y'all are curious on seeing what it looks like and the other hairstyles that I have other than just the afro, go ahead and follow my TikTok. I'll have it linked down below and posted somewhere on this video so y'all can check that out. All right, y'all, thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I cannot wait to see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.